Hi everyone! In today's video, pag-usapan naman natin ang 5 tips on how to start a freelancing. Anyway, kung bago ko lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, I'm Janick from Pinoy Entrepreneur. So kung bago ko lang, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below para kung meron tayong bagong video uploads, ma-notify ka. So simulan na natin. Five tips on how to start a freelancing. So kung mapapansin natin in the last 5 years, medyo dumadami yung nagfi-freelance, pumapasok sa freelance. So ano yung mga pros nito? Of course, dahil siguro they are work from home, flexible yung time, then of course, mas maraming time para sa family. So, isa yan sa mga factors kaya marami nagfi-freelance. So, gusto nila nagtatrabaho sa kanilang bahay, kasama yung kanilang mga pamilya. They have much more time with their family. So, simulan natin. Ano yung mga 5 tips kung mag-start ka ng isang freelancing? So, number 1, you need a skill set. So, yung tinatawag nating skill set, ito yung expertise mo. So, let's say for example, you are a photographer, or a web designer, or an illustrator, or even a freelance broker or real estate agent. So yan, ano yung skill set mo? So ito kailangan ma-identify mo muna yung skill set mo. So once you identify your skill set, let's say you are a web developer, so number 2 naman, start with contacts. So mag-start ka ngayon, tell your friends, your family, your relatives, your co-workers, or even your former employers na you are now a freelancer. Na ito yung expertise ko, then freelancer na ako ngayon. Kung may mga kakilala kayo na may kailangan ng ganitong expertise, you can refer me. So tell your friends about it. So huwag ka medyo mahihiya, sabihin mo lang na isa ka ng freelancer and this is your expertise. So, kung meron kailangan sa mga work nila o sa company nila, nangangailangan ng kind ng expertise, let's say photographer or a graphic artist, o kailangan ng isang accountant. So, this is your expertise. And yan, kailangan mo siya i-broadcast doon sa iyong mga network of friends, diba, sa Facebook. Then, your relatives, siyempre, kailangan ng support ng iyong familia na you are now a freelancer. So, number 3, kung na-start mo na yung mga contacts mo, na sabi mo na you are a freelancer, it's time for you to identify your market. So, let's say, for example, you are a web developer. So, kailangan mo ngayon i-identify your market. Sino ba yung mga market na kailangan mo dito? Of course, yung mga small and medium enterprise or large enterprise na nangangailangan ng website, na gusto nilang magkaroon ng online presence na, or even yung mga small business o mga restaurants na kailangan na mag-online for their online ordering. So this is your market. So ganoon din sa ibang kind of expertise. You are a graphic designer, or even a photographer, or even a real estate broker, or an accountant, or a bookkeeper. So you need to find your market. Now, let's say you are a photographer naman. So, sino ba yung market nitong mga photographer? If you are a professional photographer, of course, nandiyan ka sa mga wedding events. So, yan yung mga market mo. Or even yung mga small enterprises na kailangan i-push yung kanilang mga branding, kailangan nila ng magagandang professional pictures. So, this is your market. So, yan. So, number 3, kung meron ka ng na-identify mo na yung market mo, then number 4, ang kailangan mo naman is to create a resume or portfolio. So of course, kailangan mo itong portfolio para, let's say for example, you have a target client. You need to give them your portfolio. Kasi dyan makikita yung previous projects mo, ano ba yung previous jobs mo, let's say resume, ano yung mga naging dati mong trabaho, yung mga projects mo in the last year, diba? Para at least malaman nila na, o nga, expertise nga itong tao nito sa ganitong skill set. So yan, you need to create a portfolio. So mas maganda kung makakagawa ka ng blog or a website for your portfolio para mas mabilis. Let's say you are a photographer, you can create a website for your portfolio. Ito yung mga magaganda kong mga pictures. Ito yung mga projects ko from ganitong company. So yan, you need to create a portfolio. So number 5, get social. So you are a freelancer right now. So kailangan mo syempre itap yung market. So hindi ka makikilala kung hindi ka papasok ng social media, kung hindi ka magkikreate ng account for social media. So nandyan yung Facebook. So use these platforms para at least ma-reach mo yung mga target market mo pa rin, di ba? Even your friends, malaman nila na you're a freelance web developer or a freelance accountant or a freelance photographer. So yan. So those are the 5 tips on how to start a freelancing. So number 1, you need a skill set. And number 2, yun nga, know your friends. Tell to your friends that you are now a freelancing. Start with your contacts. So number 3, ito yung tinatawag nating identify your market. Then yung number 4, create a resume or portfolio. Then number 5, get social. So yan lang, maikli lang tong video na ito, pero I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo, lalo na kung may mga plano kayong maging freelance in your own field or sa inyong expertise, gusto nyong maging freelancer, sana makatulong, ano? And I hope to see you in my next video.